Alright, don't you hate it? Don't you hate it when your stove door falls off? Well, the glass falls off the door. Good thing the glass didn't break. But yeah, what we're going to do is try and repair it here today. Otherwise it gets super hot if you were to touch that spot. Hot stove, don't want to touch the window. So, got the window, got the stove, got a bunch of rust. Yeah, we need to reattach it. See what happens. Alright, what we're going to do is sand off this rust because we need to stick some tape on there. Put a lot of rust in there. Alright, let's clean it up, see what happens. I didn't go too crazy on the glass because I don't want to shatter the glass, otherwise we gotta start all over with the new oven. Yeah. So let's clean it up, see how good it looks. Okay, there we go. It's not perfect. Still got some rust on there, but I think if I get all the rust off, there'll be no metal left. Let it dry. Now it's time to see if we can reattach it. Okay, we bought this tape from Amazon. It's like zoo. Think that's it? Nope. There's our tape. Double-sided, I think. I wasn't sure if I did. I didn't remember. Alright, let's go ahead and put on. Nice and straight. Yeah. So good. Rub it in real good. I wonder if I should put some here. Hopefully it stays. I can hear it. That part's not sticking. Alright, let's try opening the door, see if it falls off. Good. So far so good. Hopefully our door doesn't fall off.